Statics, Chapter 2, homework problem number 3. So in this one, we have, it says, asks us to consider three forces, P1, 2, and 3. Where it says P1 equals 23 pounds, P2 equals 48 pounds, and P3 equals 49 pounds. So it just looks like a 16. I'm not gonna write pounds. It says determine the x, y components of each of these. So for the x components, this is just going to be 23 cosine of, yep. They're not giving us the angles, they're giving us the length. So now I need to remember toa. Nah, it's as simple as that. So I think we're just going to keep doing P1 opposite over adjacent. It's just going to be inverse tan. So yeah, let's find the angles first, because I think that would just make the problem easier. It's going to be tan inverse of 80 over 84. This one's going to be the tan inverse of opposite 96 over 28. And then this one's going to be the tan inverse of, do we want this angle here? X-axis. I think everything's been from the x-axis. It's going to be 48 over 90. We've got 43.6. We've got a 73.74. Whoa. 60. And lastly, 48 over 90. We got a 28.07. So now all we need to do is let's see, for P1 it's going to be 23, 23. This is going to be X, it's going to be Y, it's going to be 23 cosine 43.6, and this one's going to be sine 43.6, and it's going to equal, we'll just do XYs of each of these. So it's going to be 48. Whoa, 48 cosine sine. Maybe 49 cosine. And it's 73.74. 28. 07. I'm getting 16.65, and then for sine, getting 15.86, and if I do 48 cosine of 73.74, I'm getting let's see, negative 13.44. And then for sine, I'm getting 46.08. And notice this one's negative because it's moving in the negative x direction here for P2. P3 is going to be negative y, but positive x. So 49 cosine 28.07. I'm getting 43. Whoa. My sine and cosine seem to be flipped. Which means that if I take the inverse tan of 90 over 48, I get 61. I do 49 cosine, 61.92. That's giving me the correct one, so my apologies. We actually want to take that angle, this angle, that angle. So this one's from X, this one's from X, but for some reason that one's from Y. You could do that, or you could still take this angle and just remember that to swap sine and cosine for an angle taken from above to below. I believe that should work out. But for right now, let's just swap sine and cosine since we already have everything else written out. Don't make the mistake I made. Very easy mistake to make. Okay, still, we're gonna get a 23.08, and then down here it's a negative 43.22. And those are all of your answers.